The Equestre house presents itself as an architecture that does not attempt to stand out from the landscape, but rather is quietly and consciously rooted in its natural context. Located in the Costa Esmeralda region of Argentina, the house stands amid open fields and rows of trees in an environment imbued with equestrian activities and the rhythm of outdoor life. The building's single-story massing is arranged in an L-shaped plan, creating a balance between private and communal areas. This composition allows the house to embrace the landscape while simultaneously creating a sheltered and intimate outdoor space. Rather than leveling the site, the building is placed with minimal intervention into the existing contours and vegetation, preserving the natural character of the land as an integral part of the spatial experience. Material-wise, the Equestre house presents a bold yet harmonious contrast. Exposed concrete forms the structural and interior core, creating a solid, honest, and timeless impression. This core is then enclosed by an outer skin of wood and glass, which serves as both a protective layer
The interior is designed with a straightforward functional logic. Spaces flow without excessive partitions, reinforcing a sense of continuity and serenity. Built-in concrete furniture becomes part of the architecture itself, durable, low maintenance, and integrated with the structure. The presence of a wooden deck in the outdoor area extends the living space.
In its gestural stillness, the Equestre house embodies Luciano Kruk's architectural philosophy, a rational, honest approach to materials and sensitive to the landscape. The house does not attempt to dominate nature, but rather engages in dialogue with it, allowing space, light, and time to shape a simple yet meaningful living experience.